Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's your reminder to clean under your fridge. So I'm going to be pulling my fridge out and seeing what's under there. It's going to kind of be like a treasure hunt because I don't know what's under there. But I was sitting on the kitchen floor the other day and I was like, oh my, I need to clean under there. But it's something that probably gets neglected just because it's hidden behind stuff. So let's go find out what's under my fridge. I was struggling to move the fridge because I could feel that things were caught under there, and I knew it was my cat's little balls. I could hear them jingling, but I also wasn't like strong enough to pick up the fridge and move it. So I was just jiggling it every which way. I knew things were caught in dragging, so when I went to move it back, they finally came out from underneath there. If you enjoy cleaning content, then please subscribe to my channel. I have tons of content for you to watch. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.